welcome back to the channel. We're working on the Aprilia RS250 today. If you haven't seen the first video where I've picked it up, go back, check it out, I'll put a link. So it's a box of bits. We don't know what we're working with. I've given the engine a little bit of a clean, but we need to strip it down and just check what's what, because it's been sitting for a while. Open to the elements, some debris has got into the crankcase and stuff like that, just where it's been sitting. So at bare minimum, split the two halves, check the cylinders are okay, check the pistons are okay, check the bearings, see how they feel. If they're good, I'm going to go over them again, and then we can look to reassemble it. But for now, let's get it apart. Longer one. This is nicer than the RGV one because you can just do the sprocket, but you need to get the general cover and everything off anyway. Where did that go? I'll have to find that. So, not everyone knows this, but let me just bring you down. The two halves of the casing have got a match number, so 8899, different number, so that's not good. Two different halves of the cases. Oh no, 45666. 45666, cool. And then on the gearbox, it has it as well, because this casing is matched. So now, a little bit of that should just come off now. With a bit more persuasion. There we go. Cassette gearbox. Bearing for the neutral switch, just like on the RGV. Gearbox wise, doesn't look too bad. Not bad at all. Give that a clean up with some old brake cleaner. So here comes the dowels with it. Okay. Let's disconnect the oil hose. That's not bad at all, actually. No damage to the head. Cylinders look pretty good. No obvious scoring on that cylinder. Are we running an original piston? Not sure where that came from. Oh, that'd be from gearbox. Piston rings all move freely. Don't know if that's an original though. Could be. There we go. Okay, we're off. This cylinder also, and the head, really good. Power valve's a bit carbony, but not the end of the world. They might clean up. I might replace them with some Tiger ones. Tuning Works. Rings are moving, a bit sticky, but moving. Let's get these two halves apart and see what we're left with. Our two cases are out. Now to check the bearings and the seals. So, crank should just come out. There we go. That's nice and quiet. That one's all quiet. Let's check. Oh, that bearing's a bit dry. That one's quite smooth. Let's put some oil on them and see if they ease up. Get the old brake cleaner out. Give all of in here a clean. Give in here a clean. As you can see, some debris which will get picked up. Give all that a clean out. I think should go again. I'll get some bits on order and we can get that engine rebuilt and back in. I should probably look at stripping down the carbs next. But let's leave it there for today.